Yo, what's up? Yes, so how are you doing, guys? I hope that you are guys so good and everything runs well at the beginning of the year. So yeah, today is a special day. No, just another day.
Just another day in Bali. What you can do, just another day in Bali. First of all, we're gonna shop a little bit. So we're gonna show you one of the biggest shops in Bali.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna have some lunchy dinner somewhere on the street food maybe, or I don't know, we'll see.
Honey, what do you buy?
Huh?
What do you buy?
Green stout. That's my favorite drink.
Nice.
Very nice.
Alright, so we already finished shopping. I bought fruits as usual. Damian bought his favorite drinks.
But this one is actually orange juice.
Yeah, but at the back you will see later on. Oh, maybe you already see on what our shopping today actually.
Soda.
So yeah, soda water and then his favorite drinks. Alright, so now we will head to what is it? The street food market.
Yeah.
I'm so craving for the fish.
Me also, so I
Grilled
think
fish.
we're gonna go to the Alright, just arrived to the right place.
Market, Kedonganan Fish Market. So we will buy fish first in the fish market, and then we will go to the warung to grill it.
Yeah, and the situation here is quite busy. Also, it's quite fishy smell today because it's big wind from the ocean, you know.
Yeah.
This is our fish. Scratch me up.
So we already had our lunch. Well, actually so many people there, and then you know when we didn't finish our lunch, people keep coming and coming, and then they just keep pushing, you know like when we sit and they're just standing next to us, so feel like not comfortable with that.
Yeah, quite strange today.
And also today's a bit windy on the beach, and then we are just thinking how about we move to the next beach, which is Jimbaran Beach. Before it was Kedonganan Beach, now just next door is Jimbaran Beach.
Okay, just arrived to the
Jimbaran
Jimbaran.
parking car park.
Quite busy, as you can see over here. So many cars. We'll see how's the how's the crack on the beach, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see, honey.
Alright, so at this season where the big wind and this kind of what is it, the water right now, this is the lemuru season. So lemuru is kind of a small fish. So yeah, as you see, even at this time, normally the fishermen going at night and come back in the morning, but now they just got lots of fish, the lemuru fish, because this is the season. Alright, I spoke to the lady over there who is cleaning the fish. So I asked how much is it per kilo. She said 10k per kilo for this kind of fish. Alright, this Jimbaran Beach is more tourist place than the previous one in Kedonganan, because as you see, they really maintain the clean of the beach. But before in Kedonganan was so dirty, was so, I don't know what to say. I don't want to put in the camera because so dirty.
It was a little bit of rubbish on the beach, what I can say. But here is very nice clean. Also over there is the Four Seasons Hotel, Le Méridien, not so far away from here.
Intercontinental Hotel.
Intercontinental,
so this, Jimbaran Beach surrounded by the 5-star hotel, so they have to maintain the cleanliness of the beach. But over there in Kedonganan, just only the fisherman
village,
so
right?
Lots of rubbish, plastic.
Oh yeah, check
and
this
everything.
out. There's quite many people over here on this beach. I will show you around.
Child friendly, as you see so many children here playing on the beach.
Also over here on this side you can find a few restaurants selling the seafood. So it's actually 3 places around Jimbaran Bay where you can find this, starting from fish market, then it's a lot of on the way until the Jimbaran Bay. Yeah, that's how it looks like. Also a lot of corn sellers and like that. Very family friendly place.
Alright, so we just decided to chill in the one small bar with the ibu behind. So we are not sitting in the restaurant, well, actually. So we have a coconut. So this is the coconut meat. So good. Tastes so sweet and fresh. Lumpia boss. So this one portion costs you 5k only. Lumpia is spring rolls.
Alright, so that's how it looks situation on the Jimbaran Bay Beach. By the way, this beach is little bit like in Sanur with the little bit Legian vibe. So beach is very family friendly, lots of kids playing around, sound is like this, but you can find also a lot of stalls, warungs with the beer, coke, whatever you like.
The beach bar is just like the Legian style, but the people who enjoying just like in Sanur.
Yes.
Alright guys, I think that's all our video today. It's gonna rain soon.
It's gonna be rainy
It's a big
soon.
cloud.
Unfortunately, not sunset today at all.
Alright, so I think that's all our video today. Thank you guys for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye!
See you tomorrow, like always. See you, take care.